Now, you all know this is a sham proceeding. You know, at any given time, you could have dealt with me reasonably. You know that there is a profound correlation with me trying to take public transit, especially when I have no income and I end up having a altercation in a specific manner with somebody on the train that's doing their little dark cop thing. You know that I've been here over 3 years and they've refused to take a police report specifically connected to information and evidence I had about how that specific kind of process was used in the murder of a police officer here in Dallas. So you know that. And you know he's gone. And you know I have no other way to get there. You know they have all these other things going on. And it's not just the people directly involved, that other people at higher levels are leveraging this as part of that, upstream, downstream. And you also know that this is completely dangerous for a variety of reasons. I am going with paper only. I'm going with two books that are securitizable or able to be secured. One is the rules of federal civil procedure, one is the rules of the Texas civil procedure. That's all I'm going with. I'm going with my driver's license. I'm going with the federal rules of civil procedure, the Texas rules of civil procedure, my affidavits, and a list of evidence. That's all I'm taking with me. Please, don't fuck with me. I've done nothing illegal. Anything I've done in terms of gathering evidence, if it's made anybody upset at any point in time, you could have talked to me. At any point in time, you could have taken a police report. At any point in time, you could have stopped obstructing justice and you could have assisted me with being extracted from a kidnapping scheme that has gone on for over 5 years. You could have done any of those things. You didn't. So why don't you just continue to not do something today and don't interfere with me? Just don't. You wanted to make this about an eviction proceeding when it's no such thing. I've dealt with it at the level it's at legally. Do not escalate this. There is a need to deal with it on the level it's at, but don't, again, put other people in intentional harm's way because you want to screw with me on the train to prove a point. Because you want to bring me into the courthouse and prove a point. You're not doing any proxies today. You're not doing any simulations today. I am acknowledging right now, I don't have the money to take the train. So I'm going to have to hop the train. I'm going to have to get on the train without paying. Are you going to murder anybody? Literally. Are you going to kill anybody today because you're going to ping one of your dirt cops to come up and fuck with me while I'm on the train without a ticket? Am I going to hear that voice in the background that says whether I pass or fail? Because I'm going to keep track.